All right, welcome back. Here is our final part of our Eggs-ploring chemistry experiment. I hope you've had fun so far trying out these different experiments. So if you notice, I have added in some Legos. My son and I built what we called a little volcano with a little tree on top, just for fun. Then we took our egg and we put our egg base in the middle. So you could really build anything out of the Legos that you have at home or blocks and put a base in the middle and see what happens, what it looks like when you have little explosions coming out of it. So same steps, taking my baking soda, and let's see, we'll do some red. Red's always nice and bright, and that way it can kind of look like lava. And then I'm going to take my vinegar. And there's lava coming out. And it didn't melt the tree. Thank goodness we had that bridge there. We saved the forest. I hope you all really enjoyed exploring chemistry with me today. I hope you get a chance to try these experiments at home. If you do, ask a grown-up to post it to Facebook or Instagram. Use hashtag #HEBsummer, and I will be looking forward to seeing what you come up with. Have a great summer.